Welcome to KhanaOS, a modern restaurant POS and billing platform built to run your food business smoothly from the front counter to the back office. The very first thing you'll notice is that KhanaOS understands restaurants have two very different kinds of users. So, right at login, you get a clean split between owner login and staff login. Owners get full access to reports, settings, and financials, while staff see only what they need to do their job, keeping your data secure and your operations clean. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in day to day management. And if you're setting up a new outlet, there's a simple create account option right at the bottom to get you onboarded in minutes. Now, once we log in as the owner, let me show you what's waiting on the other side. And here we are, the heart of KhanaOS, the billing screen. The moment your staff logs in, this is where the action happens. Notice how it's immediately intuitive. You choose between dine-in or takeaway. Select the table, and your entire menu is right there, organized by category. For Glory's Eyes here, you've got everything from special ice creams to guilt-free gelatos neatly tabbed across the top so your staff can find any item in seconds, not minutes. Just tap an item, and it lands straight in the cart on the right. No confusion, no delays, no room for error, which means faster billing, happier customers, and shorter queues. The search bar up top is a bonus for busy peak hours, when you just need to find that one item fast. Up next, let's see what happens once items are added to the cart and we're ready to place the order.
Here's a feature that your billing staff will absolutely love: smart item variants. The moment a customer says, "I'll have the chocolate chips," your staff taps it and instantly gets a clean pop up to choose the right size: small scoop, regular scoop, half liter, or 1 liter, with the price difference shown right alongside each option. No mental math, no asking the manager, no mispricing. The correct amount is auto calculated and added to bill the moment they confirm. This is especially powerful for businesses like ice cream parlors, juice bars, or any outlet where the same item comes in multiple portions or packaging sizes. It keeps your billing accurate, your staff confident, and your customers served faster. Once the size is selected and items are in the cart, let's see how the checkout and payment flow works. And just like that, the item is in the cart. Notice how the right panel instantly updates with the item name, the selected variant, small scoop, 55 gram, the quantity controls to increase or decrease right there, and the subtotal including GST, all calculated automatically. No separate billing step, no punching numbers into a calculator. Everything is live and transparent. What I love here is that the staff never has to leave this screen. They can keep adding more items from the menu on the left, while the running total builds up on the right in real time. When the order is ready, one tap on that big orange place order button and you're done. Clean, fast, and error free. Now let's move ahead and see what the order management experience looks like once orders start flowing in. Here's a subtle but powerful feature that most restaurants completely overlook: capturing customer details right at the point of billing. As the order is being placed for table 8, the staff can quickly enter the customer's name and phone number, and KhanaOS automatically flags it new customer will be registered on billing. That means every single transaction is quietly building your customer database for you with zero extra effort, no separate forms, no manual entry later. This is the foundation of repeat business: knowing who your customers are, how often they visit, and what they love to order. It turns a one time sale into the beginning of a loyal relationship. And once that customer data is in the system, Khana OS can do a lot more with it, but we'll get to that. First, let's place this order and see what happens next. The order is live. You can see it's now assigned order hashtag 28 with an open status. Table 1 has an active order against it tied to the customer Santa. But notice what's available right here before payment: a discount panel where your staff can apply either a flat rupee discount or a percentage off right on the spot. Perfect for loyalty rewards, special occasions, or manager overrides, all controlled and logged. Then at the bottom, you've got 4 clear action buttons: hold the order if the customer needs more time, print bill for a physical KOT or bill copy, cancel if needed, and the big green pay button to close the transaction. Everything a cashier needs in one clean view with zero guesswork. Now let's explore what the payment collection experience looks like when that pay button is tapped. And here's the collect payment screen, clean, fast, and built for the real world. The total is clearly displayed at 71 rupees, and your staff can choose how the customer wants to pay cash, UPI, or card, right from a simple drop down. But here's what makes this really powerful. See that plus add another payment option. That means KhanaOS supports split payments out of the box. If a customer wants to pay part cash and part UPI, no problem. It handles that in one transaction. The system also auto calculates the change due in real time, so your cashier never has to do mental math at the counter. One tap on complete payment and the order is closed, the table is freed up, and the transaction is recorded. Let's talk about control because in a restaurant, knowing who has access to what is critical. This is the staff management module, and it's beautifully simple. You can see every team member at a glance, their name, phone number, role, and whether they're currently active. Notice the role tags. The owner is flagged as owner with full access, while Sana is assigned the biller role, meaning she can operate the POS, but nothing beyond that. And for each staff member, you've got quick actions right there, pages to control which screens they can access, reset PIN if they're locked out, and deactivate the moment someone leaves your team. Adding new staff is just one click away with the plus add staff button. It's lean, secure, and puts the owner firmly in charge. This is where the owner truly stays in control. The page access panel. With a simple checklist, you decide exactly which modules each staff member can see and use. For Sana the biller, only POS is ticked, meaning she logs in, sees the billing screen, and nothing else. She can't peek at your dashboard financials, can't touch inventory, can't access customer data, recipes, or reports. Every module, orders, menu, online orders, inventory, dashboard, recipes, QR codes, customers, is individually switchable. This isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your business data from internal misuse while keeping your staff focused on their actual job. One save, and the permissions are live instantly. Here's a feature built for growth, the outlets module. If you're running a single location today, this gives you a live snapshot of how that outlet is performing right now, today's revenue, number of orders, active tables, and any low stock alerts all in one card. But the real power here is scalability. The moment you open a second location, a third, a franchise, you simply hit plus new outlet and it's added to your account. Each outlet runs independently with its own menu, staff, and billing. Yet the owner can monitor all of them from a single login. No juggling multiple systems, no scattered data. And that low stock alert right on the outlet card, that means you're never caught off guard during a busy service. Khana OS truly grows with your business from one outlet to many. Now let's head into the dashboard and see the analytics powering these numbers. This is your menu management module. And for a business running 150 items across multiple categories, this is where the magic of organization really shines. On the left, you've got all your categories neatly listed: Stone Sunday, Kulfi, Faluda, Ice Cream Shake, and more, each showing the item count at a glance. On the right, every item is displayed as a card with its price inclusive of GST, active status, and how many variations it carries. So you know at a glance that chocolate chips has 4 variations ready to go. Editing an item, toggling it on or off during the day, or removing it entirely, all done right from the screen in seconds. Adding a new item, one click on plus add new item, and you're set. No calls to a tech team, no delays. Your menu is always in your hands. Here's the edit item panel, and this is where your menu truly comes to life. For every item, you can set the name, add a description, attach an image, and define a base price. But the real power sits in the price variation section below. For chocolate chips, you can see all 4 size tiers configured: small scoop, regular scoop, half liter, and 1 liter, each with their own precise price point. Need to add a new size? Just hit plus add variation and it's there in seconds. This means your menu is never rigid, whether you're introducing a new pack size, running a seasonal portion, or adjusting prices due to ingredient costs. You're fully in control without needing any technical help whatsoever. Every change reflects instantly across billing. And now that we've seen how the menu is built and managed, let's explore how KhanaOS handles your inventory behind the scenes. Welcome to the inventory module, where you stop losing money to wastage and stockouts. This is the add material panel, and it's the starting point for tracking every raw ingredient or supply in your kitchen. You give it a name, say chocolate sauce, define the unit of measurement, categorize it, set a reorder level so the system alerts you before you run out, and log the cost per unit so Khana OS can calculate your actual food costs behind the scenes. That reorder level is a game changer. Instead of your chef discovering mid service that you're out of a key ingredient, the system flags it well in advance. And with the stock and history tabs up top, you can track current levels and see every stock movement over time. Once your materials are in, Khana OS can link them to your recipes, and that's where cost control gets really powerful. This is arguably the most important screen for any business owner, the dashboard. At a single glance, you know exactly how your day is going. 614 rupees in revenue, three orders, an average order value of 205 rupees, and your top selling item is blackcurrant. You can see total tax collected, discounts given, gross profit, and gross margin, all live, all automatic, zero effort on your part. Scroll down, and it gets even richer. A 7 DAY revenue trend, so you can spot your busy days and slow days. A sales by category pie chart showing special ice cream leading at 35%, followed by ice cream shakes at 30%, and your top five items today ranked by quantity and revenue. The table performance panel even tells you which tables or order types are driving the most business. This is the kind of intelligence that used to require a separate analytics tool or a hired accountant in KhanaOS. It's built right in. Let's now head to the report section for even deeper insights. Now we're in the reports module, and this is where KhanaOS truly earns its keep for the owner. You can filter by today, this month, this quarter, the full financial year, or a custom date range, giving you complete flexibility. Um, the sales report tab shows every single bill in chronological order, bill number, timestamp, which staff member raised it, order type, subtotal, discount, tax, net amount, and payment method. Everything you'd ever need for an audit or a dispute right there. But scroll down and it gets even more powerful. A staff wise breakdown showing exactly how much each team member billed, and an item wise breakdown drilling down to the exact variant sold, quantity, revenue, cost, and profit per item. You can see blackcurrant regular scoop generated 177 rupees in profit today alone. And when your accountant needs this, just hit download Excel or PDF, done in one click. No manual reports, no spreadsheet juggling. And this is just the sales report. There's also purchase, day book, transactions, bill wise profit, and P&L waiting in those tabs. Let's keep going. This is where inventory management gets truly intelligent. The recipes module. Here you link every menu item to the raw materials it consumes. So for almonds 35 gram, you'd hit plus add ingredient, select almonds from your inventory, set the quantity used per serving, and save. That's it. From that point on, every time this item is sold, Khana OS automatically deducts the exact quantity from your inventory. No manual stock adjustments, no end of day counting guesswork. Notice that helpful reminder at the bottom. When an order is placed, the quantities above will be deducted from inventory automatically. This closes the loop between your billing and your kitchen, so your stock levels are always accurate in real time. For a business serious about controlling food costs and reducing wastage, this feature alone pays for the entire platform. And that's Khana OS, not a concept, not a prototype, but a live, battle tested platform already powering real businesses every single day. From busy cafes steaming through morning rushes to ice cream parlors managing 150 ITEM menus with multiple variants, to full service restaurants juggling dine in, takeaway, and online orders all at once, Khana OS is already in the trenches and it's delivering. Everything you've seen today, the lightning fast billing, smart item variants, customer capture, staff access control, inventory tracking, recipe linked stock deduction, real time dashboards, and detailed reports. It's all live, all connected, and all designed around one simple idea. Your restaurant should run smoother, smarter, and more profitably. Whether you're running one outlet or scaling to 10, KhanaOS grows with you without the complexity, without the chaos, and without needing a tech team to hold your hand. If you're still managing your business on paper, on WhatsApp notes, or on a clunky system that doesn't talk to itself, this is your sign to upgrade. KhanaOS, built for the food business, built for you. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like a personalized demo or want to get your outlet onboarded, the team is just one conversation away.